Namaste children. Welcome to social science classes, online classes. How are you all? Hope you all are staying safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, lesson number 9, Exploring India. India has a unique blend of traditions, customs, religion and languages. This wonderful blend makes India a favorite destination for tourists from all over the world. Tourists from other countries enjoy natural beauty of our country, the colorful festivals, music and dance of India. Visit to Agra. Agra is a famous city which is located in the North Indian state Uttar Pradesh. It is 204 kilometers from Delhi and is well connected by airways, roadways and train services. Agra railway station is known as Agra Cantonment Station. Many trains are running between Agra and Delhi. Taj Express and the Palace on Wheels are the two important trains running between Agra and Delhi. The main bus terminals are Ida Bus Stand and Agra Fort Bus Stand. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful pieces of architecture in India. It is situated in Agra. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is made of white marble with beautiful inlay work. It is situated in the bank of river Yamuna. The construction work of Taj Mahal started in 1631 AD. It took 22 years and 20,000 people to complete it. Agra Fort. The Agra Fort lies 2 kilometers from the Taj Mahal. The construction of the fort was started by Akbar, Mughal Emperor Akbar, and was completed during Shah Jahan's period. The entrance to the fort are the India Gate and the Amar Singh Gate. Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is 37 kilometers away from Agra. The town Agra built completely in red sandstone. Sloping levels of Fatehpur were connected with terraces. The town had a most well-planned drainage and water supply system. It is very convenient to move around Agra. Only pollution-free, battery-operated vehicles, tongas, camel cars and rickshaws are allowed in that area. Diesel or petrol vehicles are not allowed to ply in the Taj Mahal area to save the monument from pollution.